Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to help all clients with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rent of real estate properties in our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. And today I will share with you a nice apartment that is located in the heart of our city, Torrevieja, just 700 meters away from El Cura beach, so walking distance, and of course all the infrastructure, all the things that you need to enjoy your holidays or to live permanent in our area. And today we have a nice apartment, as I told, just 700 meters from the beach. I can actually see a little bit the sea over there. It's completely renovated, recently done with the renovation. Nice shape and design. You will see how much things this apartment offers. This apartment has 79 square meter size, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and this nice terrace, glassed terrace on which you can enjoy in the summer and also in the winter time. And check out these new windows that goes to the terrace. Big, bright, nice qualities. All the property have underfloor heating. All the rooms have air conditioning. It's centralized, and there's only one machine for all the 3 small machines that are at the rooms, giving cold or warm air. Look at the lighting, how nice they did the lighting all around. Nice lamps, nice seal. Yeah, the kitchen has all the new white goods. Everything is new. You can see it from here. And open it plan, nice shape and design of kitchen. The floor is vinyl, and it also is all new by all the apartment. Nice design. The colors are combined very nice. It's for somebody that want to buy something ready and don't invest time, stress, or lose some money renovating. So in this case, you can buy a ready and nice apartment. Check out these nice lights here, LED lights. We have one small window that goes to patio for more light and ventilation. Nice big bedroom with also nice colors. Check these doors out. I like this color of door. It's hot and yeah, looks amazing. This is the main entrance. We're actually now on the 2nd floor of the building, and yeah, of course the building have an elevator to get to this 2nd floor. I also like a lot the bedrooms because almost all the properties have at least 1 bedroom that goes to a patio, and of course you share the space with the neighbor. And yeah, I don't have this privacy and not enough lighting. On this case, check out, both bedrooms are going outside, and the community offers a pool. Here, straight away from the bedroom, you can see the pool there. So it's a nice extra for somebody that want to have pool in the community, or somebody that want to rent the property out for short term, because as everybody know, children and people mostly like to have a pool, and you are also very close to the beach. And this is the 2nd bedroom. Also, as I told before, with window very bright and the view to the pool area. This is a property for somebody that want to have something ready, not invest the time on renovations. Everything is done, everything is new, and done with the best qualities and nice design. This property has a cost of 198,800. Yeah, you have a nice area, you have a pool in the community, you're in the center of the city next to the bus station, you have all the amenities here, don't even need a car to move, and of course 700 meters, the beach of El Cura, city beach. Yeah, everything that you need. Share this video with your family and your friends, and know people. Contact me about this property or any other property or any question. that you have about the real estate in our region. And yeah, subscribe our channel, and I see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Hasta luego!